Welcome back once again to our Runyankole lessons. Teacher Mhozi still the same. It has been a long time, but I am glad I'm back to teach you today. And today, erizoba. Ntuza kwega fruits, ebijuma. Tureba omu rujungu, English. Then Runyankole. Singular in English, omu Runyankole, omu buche. Then application, enkozesa. Then plural, omu bwingi. So tuza mango in Runyankole, omuyembe. Application, enkozesa. In English, this mango is sweet. In Runyankole, omuyembe ogu gunuzire. Omuyembe ogu gunuzire. So ogu and gu they signify this is. They are the cause of the singular. Omuyembe ogu gunuzire. That is in case somebody has handed you over a mango and you want to appreciate. So you say omuyembe ogu gunuzire. In plural, we have mangoes. In Runyankole, we say emiyembe. You notice we have removed omu and we have put emi. You will also notice on oranges, emi. But on others, you'll also notice on yellow bananas, omu, emi. So, enkozesa application. These mangoes are sweet. Emiyembe egi enuzire. Then we go to orange. In Runyankole, omuchungwa. If you say, I want an orange. In Runyankole, you can say, ninyenda omuchungwa. Ninyenda omuchungwa. You see somebody with an orange, you ask him that, ninyenda omuchungwa. Oranges, that's plural. In Runyankole, we say emichungwa. If you were many, you would say, we want oranges. Or you can say, if the sentence is, I want oranges, here you would have said, ninyenda emichungwa. Ninyenda. So this one would have remained there, but this emi changes. Ninyenda emichungwa. We go to gava. In Runyankole gava, we call it ipera. Application. If English you say this gava is rotten, assuming they have given you a rotten gava. So you say ipera eri rizunzire. Ipera. Or you can say ipera eri rizunzire. When we go to plural English, that is gavas. And we call them amapera. So if you are writing your English statement, these guavas are rotten. You will say amapeera aga gazunzire. These guavas are rotten. Amapeera aga gazunzire. Jede, we go to popo. Ipapari. Ipapari. This popo is ripe. Ipapari eri rizunzire. No, ipapari eri rihire. This popo is ripe. This popo ipapari eri. This popo ipapari eri rihire is ripe. Popos amapapari. These popos are ripe. Amapapari. No. Amapapari aga gahire. Anoteka amapapari. Pineapple, ananas. How much is this pineapple? You say enanasi eji neyazingahi. Enanasi eji neyazingahi. Zingahi means how much. Zingahi, how much. Pineapples, ananas. This word does not change. It remains the same. How much are these pineapples? Enanasi ezi nezazingahi. You notice when you're changing this sentence to plural, eji changes to ezi. Then ya changes to za. Enanasi ezi nezazingahi. Avocado. Abamwemba kujeta, others will call it vakedo. How much is this avocado? Vakedo eji neyazingahi. Avocados in English, they still remain vakedo, plural. How much are these avocados? Vakedo ezi nezazingahi. Vakedo ezi nezazingahi. We go to jackfruit, fene. Jackfruit is called fene. Fene enozire. Jackfruit is sweet. Fene enozire. If there are many, you call them jackfruits. Still remains fene. Fene yukumi, 10 jackfruits. Now I want to go to yellow bananas. Yellow bananas. Yellow bananas, they are called eminece. Yellow bananas are called yellow banana 1 omunece. Omunece. Omunece gumwe nogwa bitano. One yellow banana is for 500. Bitano means 500 according to our previous lesson. Gumwe means 1. Nogwa means 4. Yoruba in plural, eminece. So if you want to apply it, if you say this bunch of yellow bananas is for 5,000, or hagara, that is a bunch, rw'emineke n'orwa enkumi itaano. Enkumi itaano means 5,000. Or hagara, bunch of yellow bananas, that is a bunch of yellow bananas, is for norwa. So thank you for tuning up to our channel, and we're so grateful for having supported the Afritech studio, and the teacher is none other than Mohoz Dennis. Thank you. God bless you.